How to make a cherry and cream bomb pops. Ingredients: 1.5 cup of cherry juicy juice, 100% juice. 1.5 cups of frozen dark cherries or pitted fresh cherries. 1.5 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. 1/3 cup, half and half. 1 tablespoon of honey. Step 1. Pour puree cherry juicy juice, 100% juice, and cherries in a blender until the cherries are marginally kaput for 10 to 20 seconds. Step 2. Divide the cherry mixture in half. Take 1/2 and pour into each pop mold, dividing evenly among them. They should be about 1/3 full and freeze right after for 45 minutes. Step 3. Refrigerate the remaining batch of cherry mix. Whisk Greek yogurt in half and half and honey in a large glass measuring cup with a spout until the honey is completely dissolved in the yogurt mixture. Step 4. Divide among the pop molds. The pop molds should be about 2/3 full after. Set pop molds in freezer and allow to firm about 45 minutes. Step 5. After 45 minutes, a layer of ice should form across the top, but the yogurt layer should not be hefty. Step 6. Fill the pop mold with the final layer of the remaining cherry mixture. Add pop sticks, pressing down through the partially frozen layer, and freeze until solid. Do this for at least 4 hours. Step 7. Run under water to release pops from molds and serve. Not a step, but enjoy.